Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and I have a fantastic new class for you. I'm calling it Cheerful Daisy Fun Folds. I know that's highly creative, but anyway, I've had so much fun with this Cheerful Daisy stamp set and the matching dies. I've created for you 6 different fun folds. They're just unique, they're fun, they're exciting, and I've used a bunch of different designer series paper. And you may know in June, our designer series paper is on sale for 15% off. So it's June 2023, just in case you're wondering. And I can't wait to show you how cute these fun folds are, how easy they are to make, and how much fun you're going to have making them. Well, let's take a closer look at the fun folds.
Well, here's our first card. Oopsie daisy, so sorry. What a cute little card. It opens up in a Z fold, and so it's just a real sweet card with a cute little detail on the edge. Now let me tell you a little bit about the stamp set. Here we are, we've got the Cheerful Daisy stamp set, and we've got the stamp set where you've got the outline and the fill-in, and you can see that's what I've used here, as well as the center piece to add to that. And the dies cut that right out for you. So the dies cut out the pieces, so that's great. I also used the radiating dies just for this little detail around the edge. I thought that was so sweet to get that little stitching edge right there. So that's already going to be done for you, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I've got the designer series paper. This is called let's see, I don't know, it's a Daisy Designer Series paper. Anyway, and it comes as a bundle, and the bundle comes with these 2 pieces, and a suite includes the designer paper, the gems, and the stamp set. And then here I have the second card, and this also does the same technique without the outline, and then that is a tri-fold open. And for this card, I've grabbed these beautiful brand new background pieces, and this is called the Gorgeous Garden Dies, and there's 2 different ones in here, and I used those for that one. Well, let's go on to our next cards. Now here's our next card. It's a joy fold, but it's an angled joy fold. So it opens up this way, and you can see we've got the cute little stamping on the back on there as well. Now this paper is from our Fresh as a Daisy. That's part of the whole Daisy suite thing. And then this piece, I've pulled in this delightfully eclectic package. This is a giant double package of paper with all kinds of fun colors and unique designs. And that's what I've used here as well. And so here I've got this daisy pattern from up here featuring this. And you can see on both of these cards, I've used the layered daisy dies. So these little shapes actually layer on top of the dies to give it a 3-dimensional look. I just think that's so pretty. And of course, I love this stitch shape that goes around the greeting. One other thing that I want to point out about this Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper, besides all the great patterns, one of the pieces here actually features all kinds of patterns that you can cut into card fronts or parts of card fronts. It's a wonderful way to get a great collection of really different looks in a super easy way. So that's one of the pieces. And then this piece I wanted to show you, that's the piece I used on the previous card. But look at this. This actually, the dies actually cut out some of these daisies. So you could actually use the daisies from the designer series paper. Not all of them, but most of them. So anyway, let's go on to our next 2 cards. Well, here's another really cute. Here's a Z fold card, and it uses this delightfully eclectic, beautiful designer series paper. We've used that on a couple of the other cards. So many great patterns in there. And of course, we've got the cute little daisy that's been die cut and stamped in here. And then this cute little die cut piece that's part of our Regency Park dies. And then the last card for this series is this wonderful card. I just love this offset gatefold, and this is a beautiful designer series paper. And this one is called, let me tell you what this, Masterfully Made. And look at this card. It opens up this way. We've got a great new embossing folder on there. And this one opens up this way as well. So it's a 2-way fold. And look at how beautifully this paper coordinates with the paper that's here. And I can show that to you. This is a really fun set of designer series paper. This has all been done with torn paper art. And so you can see this piece is the piece we used there. And then here's the full piece that I put on the inside, which is this great little collection of pieces. This is so much fun. This is fabulous for scrapbooking. We've got a mountain scene going on there. We've got all kinds of great things. And look at this one, just all the torn papers moving in all directions. So many great patterns in here. I just love all the colors and all the way how artistic this all is. Anyway, so those are the 6 cards that we're doing for this set. I hope you'll have fun making them all, and of course sending them and blessing people with wonderful greetings.